A Terminator robot is being developed that can swim around seeking jellyfish, suck them in, and do this. That'll do. Hey guys, I'm Patrick Jones for Buzz60. Jellyfish cause bigger problems than just stinging you and forcing you to get peed on. By the way, that's an urban myth. Don't R. Kelly anyone, it makes it worse. Jellies have recently clogged pipes to nuclear power plants in both Sweden and South Korea. They also disrupt fishing nets and are beating out larger animals like whales for food. The brainless, heartless globs are increasing in number, with global warming and depletion of jellyfish predators due to human overfishing. That's why the Korean Advanced Institute of Science and Technology is developing the killer robots. Some people are saying the bots are too harsh, but let's see if they're singing the same tune when jellies shut down their power plant and there's no way to charge their phone. Buzz60, now you know, pass it on.